is Xander's, and we're gonna do a Forgotten Worlds Q&A. So,
Hi.
what?
I said hi.
Oh. So yeah, let me get the first question. I'm just gonna do the first question, the small one. So, who makes the art for you? I made the art myself. If you're talking about like the logo and stuff. If you're talking about in the show, we screen recorded. Okay, and now here's the comment that is very long from Kyle. So, is there gonna be seasons? Yes. Will there be future drama episodes? No. Will there be more characters as we go on? Yes.
Definitely.
There's not just gonna be two. When do you plan on finishing the series? I don't know.
We don't know.
Yeah. How many episodes do you think there's gonna be?
At least 25.
Yeah, at least. Xander said probably 30. Where did you get the idea from? I don't know what he means by that. 'Cause, okay. We pretty much, came up with it ourselves. When is the next episode? Yeah, when is the next episode? When is the next episode? Hopefully within the next few weeks. Yeah, we've been procrastinating it. When did you start the series? Okay, so what does he mean by that?
When we started the roleplay, or when we started thinking of putting it on YouTube?
Because we started the roleplay probably in January or February, but then after we finished it, we had the idea, what if we turned it into a webtoon? Then we thought, what if we made it a show? And then what if we made it a show? Let's just screen record this. What did you, did you or Velvet come up with the RP?
I'm pretty sure I did.
Yeah.
Or I suggested it.
Yeah. Then we started actually doing it. Is there any LGBTQ characters? Yes, we just haven't. What?
Yes.
Yeah. They all have sexualities. We just haven't said that. Said their sexualities. Do you have any future ideas? Well, in the roleplay, no, I don't think so. In the show, that's yes, we have the entire show planned out. Do you also plan on remaking the little logo for it? Yes. Are you going to invite more people to the roleplay, or is it just you and Velvet? Maybe.
No.
It's probably a no, but maybe if we really if we actually there needs to be a group of hunters or something. That's all the questions. Yay, bye. That's actually all you asked.
Not swear before.
He just said that's all the questions I have. Bye.